Big day at the studio. I've decided to put away this big table that's behind me. And so this is from originally from a show I had at the Albright Knox last year, and then I wanted to show it in my studio for everyone that that couldn't make it out to Buffalo. So tediously, what I'm going to do is each item, each object on this table has a magic number on the bottom. So this is 154. So I take that number and then I go into my inventory system, I type in 154 and then it will show me which box it belongs into. Okay, we have hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you? Good to see you.
Okay, have some help here, that's good. All right. So that was Janosch and Ali, so they're gonna help me today. They're from High Art LLC and basically my art handlers. So they deliver stuff, hang it, uninstall it, install it, all that fun stuff. So what I was saying is that all of the pieces are numbered on the bottom, and I put that number into my inventory system, and then that tells me what box they belong in, and then that's how I store all of these, and then that's how I find them in the future. So let's have a look at some of the boxes. So there you see, and then we can see kind of the number of the pieces that go in each of these boxes.
How low, 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 low. Do you play YOLO? Do you know Lola? Do you see Sam? Do you play with bread? Do you know, 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 do you know what's in your head? What do you have for breakfast? What do you have for tea? What do you have for lunch? What do you have for me? What do you have with life? What do you have with rice? What do you have with lice? No, lice, please. I used to have those in high school, primary school, secondary school, whatever school you went to. You wanted to avoid those like the plague. Avoid those like the plague. Avoid those like Teenage Mutant Ninja Hero Turtles. Being watched and being seen. Being watched and being seen is all we try to be these days. Is all we try to know these days. Is all we try to be these days. Is all we try to know these days. As we figure out ways of being, ways of knowing, and ways of showing me what you had for breakfast, and show me what you had for tea, and show me where you parked your car, and silly things like losing your keys. But do you think I actually really care? Do you think you actually really care? Do you think we actually really care? Care about Care Bears or polar bears or some Siamese tiny twin bears? You know that doesn't really exist. You know we don't really exist. You know Siamese twin polar bears don't really exist. As you click, clicking and clicking and clicking and clanging and clanging those bags, those boxes, those bees, those bumble bees. As you sit on your knees, on your toes, as you sit on your knees and your toes, as you figure out in your bones, and you know in your bones, and you know over time.
So we made some progress. The table is down, all the legs are off. The panels that were on the walls behind me are all packed up. And the 250 something objects that are on the table are all boxed up and ready to go into the archive.
Can make it, stop it, passing out is no excuse. Same old night, bus windows hide out, nothing to choose. True to choose somebody that you. True to choose somebody that you.